So, if you want to do something like this, maybe you have a screen recording, a screenshot, or an image where you want to create emphasis on certain areas by highlighting them, then this tutorial will show you how it's easily done in CapCut. The first thing you're going to do is import the screenshot or the screen recording into your video project. It works for any image or a video. I have this screenshot right here, and I'm going to drop it into the timeline. The next thing to do is to duplicate this clip and create another layer above the main clip. You can do that by holding down the Alt key as you drag and drop the duplicate clip on top of the original clip. Select the duplicate clip on top, head over to Clip Adjustment, locate the Clip Brightness property, and turn it down to whatever value you're comfortable with. Come back to the Video property, head over to the Mask, and apply the masking effect to the clip. You can use any of the shapes here, but I'm just going to go with a rectangle mask. Select the shape you want and click on this invert icon right above it. Now it's left for you to position and resize the mask and place it on whatever region you want on the clip. You can adjust the mask width and height using the handles on the edges and the corners. This icon right here is used to make the corners of the mask rounded. So, the next thing I'm going to do is to decide where my highlighting is going to begin and end. To do that, you just have to split the clip at the start of where the highlight would be and delete the portion of the clip before that. Do the same for where you want the highlighting to end. Now, when you play back in the timeline, you're going to notice that there's just a hard transition, meaning that the highlight suddenly appears and exits the screen. To create a smoother or seamless transition, all you have to do is select the duplicate clip on top, head over to Animation, and apply the fade in Animation. Use the bar below to control how long you want the fade to last, and then also apply the fade out animation. If you preview the timeline, you can see that the highlight appears a little bit smoother. To go a step further, you can also animate the highlights to move from one portion of the screen to another region. Here's how you do that. Select the duplicate clip, open up Clip Masking, drag your player head to the point at which the mask is going to appear, and stay on the first region. Add a keyframe to the mask by using this diamond-shaped icon. As you can see, all other properties like the position, rotation, size, feather, and rounded corners have been applied to the mask. Move your player head to wherever you want the mask to just start moving. Add the same keyframe. Drag the player head to whatever point you want this mask to highlight the next region. Add another keyframe. This time you are going to edit the height, the width, position, and feather as much as you want. If you also want to move it to a third region, another location on the screen, you can still repeat the same steps. Now, it's up to you to arrange the positioning and make adjustments to the timing until you get exactly what you want. If you feel like the speed between the movements of the mask is too fast or too slow, all you have to do is mess around with the spacing between the keyframes, and it's going to affect the movements, as you can see here. Thanks for watching, and if you need more CapCut tutorials, check out the playlist showing on the screen right now.